Alright guys, how's it going? A very quick review for the add-on called Polysource. It's available for free. I'll put a link in the description down below. And make sure you check out the developer's other add-ons. Some are really good. Now, like I mentioned, this is going to be a very quick review. And the reason for this is, the add-on's very basic, but it's a great workflow tool. Now, there may be alternatives out there. If there is, put a comment down below. So we'll spin the default cube of mystery. Ooh. And you may have noticed something a little bit different with my UI, and it's up here on the right. Essentially what it does is it tells me the number of ngons, polygons and tries. Now, I'm perfect at making horrible meshes. So I'm actually in object mode, and when I click here it'll put me into edit mode. I'm just going to make a couple of loop cuts. Let's select this face here and I'll just quickly triangulate it. And you can see up here I now have two tries. So when I select it, I'll actually select the tries for me. So let's quickly make an ngon, which shouldn't be too hard in my case. So I'll just use the knife tool for example, and I'll just make a horrible cut. And you can see here, I now have 4 ngons. Now I've actually asked the developer to put an operation description here, but it's very easy to do in the script. And that's pretty much Polysource, a very basic script, but it certainly comes in handy. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, I've got a couple of mates now, you know what to do.